Guys, if you are facing this issue, then follow this step. Okay, first of all, press Windows plus R, then type there app .cpl, hit enter, then check any other third-party antivirus software. Okay, if you have installed any other third-party antivirus software like Avast, McAfee, Norton, okay, you have to just select that antivirus and you can see finally here install. Just click on install that antivirus. Okay, this is the first step. Now second step is that you have to reset Windows security via setting. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard. Then after you have to go to the system. And after you have to go to system components. Here is system components. Click that. You can find out here the Windows security. Just go to 3 button and click the advanced option. Then after here you can find out the reset option. Just click the reset button. Reset. This will reset your Windows security system. Okay. Next step is that press Windows button, CMD, right click, and you have to run as administrator. Click Ash. Then after here, you have to type FC space scan now. Hit enter. This will scan all the systems files. Okay, once this is complete, now that you have to try, you have to run this. Okay, now next command, the sm space slash online slash cleanoff this image space slash restore health. Enter. Okay, then this will restore the health of your OS. This may take about 1 hour according to your system. Okay guys, I'm going to exit this. And after step 4 is that as a service timeout setting from the registry. What you have to do is you have to just press Windows plus R key, try navigate it here, hit enter. Now you have to go to ASCII local machine. And after you have to go to the system and go to the current control set. Then after you have to go to here the control. Under the control, just you have to right click control, then click new, and you have to add GW value here. And you have to name it services pipe timeout, CRPA services pipe timeout. Okay, just double click this, and after change base decimal. Okay, option to the decimal here is the decimal, and you have to type 1818 and 1 2 3 4 0. Okay. Now close this and close all and just restart the PC and check your problem fixed or not. Okay guys, let me know in the comment box. If this video really helped you, then don't forget to comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.